Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by making both devices discoverable and ready. Enable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, then open the file you want to transfer on your iPhone or Android. On Android, enable Nearby Share or open the third-party app you're using. On iPhone, use the Share sheet. Once done, tap Share, select the app or Nearby Share, and choose the target device when it appears. This initiates the connection handshake so both devices can negotiate connection type and transfer method. Next, pick the recipient device in the Share sheet or app. Transitions matter, so watch the on-screen names. After you select the Android device, the receiver will get a prompt to accept or decline. Make sure they tap Accept. The app negotiates whether to use Bluetooth, Wi-Fi Direct, or a server relay. Wi-Fi Direct is fastest for large files. While transferring, keep both screens awake and stay within a few meters, so the connection remains stable and speed stays high. Allow the transfer to complete and watch the progress indicator. Do not force close apps. Once finished, open the received file on Android to confirm it's intact and playable or viewable. If the transfer fails, try a quick troubleshoot. Toggle Wi-Fi and Bluetooth on both devices, restart the app, or move closer. If problems persist, retry via a different method such as a cloud link or USB cable. That single troubleshooting step, toggling radios, resolves most handshake and
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.